Afei ebema wa dwene foforo ne ntiase ne kwan obefa so ayede. Class signifies your readiness to do something about it. So listen, your presence in the class signify your readiness to do something about it. So your presence before your fears, your presence before the hard things ahead of you, signifies your readiness, and it tells you, say, you can do it. So feel the fear and do it anyway. Feel the fear and start. Feel the fear and face the challenges. Feel the fear and take that step. You win. Because Shodo Kraka Ihuasem de Cheye. It is a wood remove 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse number 7. Or Kabri Biwaho. 1 Timothy chapter 1, verse number 7. Brofono or say, okay. Unity si bwana fi odi ato project ya mame na fi makama about answer crown or boss ne home modern so the better so no mame fa unra hana fi menkin kan fa ma wen fa free phone. So 1 Timothy chapter 1 verse number 7. Okay, it is ready now. So yanko or say they want to be known as teachers of the law of Moses. No, 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 7, not 1 Timothy. 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 7. We say my catch order down. Then what for me? My catch order down more part to order that. So what's it? What's the big deal? 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 7. Or say, for God has not given us a spirit of fear. For God has not given us a spirit of fear and timidity. Enti nyame amfa honhoma eye ehu anitebo yo amfa mayen, but of power, love and self-discipline. But honhom na wodi amayen ye honhom a eye tumi odo dia honhyeso. So what you say? Enti nyame ebo wo no wamfa ehuhunhum ene bo wo ene de hyewu mu. Meti ase se ehunu de wo se bo, suro no de wo se bo, e wo se ba. But then you have the power, you have the self-discipline, you have the love to overcome those fears. Enti ema ehunu nto so na wunwane mfiri wa deeper bi eho there be. Some of us, we are facing a lot. Yeah, I wasn't okay. Was he a suro ni Johnny free home? But there be, you say, dear Yesuro no, and no cranny a pe. You perceive a sheer no, ye wuremu. Said ye tea biano, nipa, and there was who two sana mono, until yen so I was here too. Of a young Philippians chapter 4, verse number 6 and 7. Philippians 4, verse number 6 to 7. Na yen kan bibi kakra ka minute mi no ne asi form na gudi mu akrache for ababe toaso ewo honum. Philippians chapter 4 verse 6 to 7. Or say, do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving let your request be known to God, and the peace of God will guard your heart. In the NLT, or say, don't worry about anything. Instead, pray about everything. Tell God what you need and thank him for all he has done. NIV, or say, do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer and petition with thanksgiving present your request to God. Na mom adi nyina mu no momfa mpaibɔ ne nkotosrɛ ene aseda ma mo adesrɛ nru nyankopɔn asumu. Nti ɛdeɛ na wosuro, nti ɛdeɛ na ɛbɔ wo hu, nti ɛdeɛ bɛ mpa nti ana ade na wɔsɔ yɛ no untumi nyɛ. Wɔn nyankopɔn ankasa nso ama wate aseɛ sɛ bibia mu no fine pie bo ene aseda ti adena okwakohia na awurade adia mi wram adia mi komu yi eso cheme nanso mi wa hotoso ni gidie wo mu nti metumi aye me da wasenso se wama me sa akonya yi to face what is before me, and you will overcome it. You will win. At the end of the day, you will become victorious. What do you feel the fear and do it anyway? Feel the fear. And from so batani paho. And nothing at the Chibia, me no be shasia, me can catch you say, you are quenya or the BMO. And what you are going to face today, no. Fatu trimum from so or who be young from so. And from so naturally, no say, make sure with that for more quenya. You have that opportunity to make corrections. So feel the fear and do it anyway. Feel the fear and face your difficulties. Feel the fear, face the challenges. Feel the fear and take a step. I know that we didn't kunim via ya de bekayo. So Johnny free sa niema no ho a. E de bisa ho say de mbio ne de bekayo. Opa de afon ko a de bia. And you say ne de bia say ade ba ne epo bia ya ye modin. If you say you say wo wuntumi nye, wo wuntumi nyina no. Wo pe de afon ko a. But empenifo ne adwuma mu akanifo ne adwuma mu mpenifo e de adwuma ma wono mu a wo mu nim se we de se de tie bia wo betumi aye. So me Kwame Agyarko, the moment you ask me, the moment wo be ma me tax no, and for ho ne said ye so ne said ye tie bia no, I will face it, because me gitum say nipa na yam from so, and from so na chiri no ne aye asisi, and so do not fear. you can fear, but do it anyway. Don't let the fear scare you. Emma ehuno je say ehunahuna wa ma wunwane mfiri sade no so. Yeah, if I tell you some of the challenges, the hard times some of us have been through, and we are still going through as I am talking today, abeyo nwanwa wakuma bejiri na baby say won say e dan and still the guy is still going, the guy is still forging on. It is because say me dwane firi ho ahwan na be ko sa ko na mame, me dwane firi ho ahwan na be tu sa na mo na mame, me dwane firi ho ahwan na be wie sa na mo ntuo na mame. Face it, do it, because you can. So yonku nipa tumi aya onso betumi aye ma ye mo udini abri bia say asimasi di obetumi aye na yamfa nche wonsa. We am from so empenifo beti ase say oh Charlie de but watumi ahe no afoma should tell you say ampa he can do it, and always you will be given the task to do it. Good morning, welcome to new day, welcome to life, welcome to Friday morning sports for it nase yakoba enkomo ne nsema hodo pi ewo ho ye ba bedi ewo fidie mo ha yakoba sisi ai.